welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are playing the parkour challenge. Oh, okay, slowly. Oh, I got no this red color. If we touch, it'll swamp you back till the starting. So never touch this red. Oh, okay. I'm doing this very easy. Slowly. Okay. Okay, first color I am gonna end. Yes, now I'll swamp here itself. Oh no. Oh wow. What if I put this? Oh, it shows the behind me light. Oh, okay. No problem. At least we have come till this first stage we have completed. Ah, yes, I was right. I have seen this with the this which we catch, right? That will hold means we will be distracted and will fall down. So without this itself I am doing very better. This is a very nice game. I say you also should try this because this is free. Okay, level 2 also complete. Now I'll swamp here. This is very big level. What a speed. Like this, if would I run in marathon, I would win a medal itself. But this can't happen in real life this much fast. Okay, slowly. Oh, wow, what a nice scene. It looks like their rainfall is coming or sun's light is coming with reflect. Okay. Carefully. This level also we have crossed. What kind of a level is here? This is more easier than last one. Oh, I thought this would be very hard, but not that so. Come on, jump. Oi, no problem. Only 2 times I have died and I am doing very well. Come on. Oh, and from this music also comes like that thinking. Oh, come on. Did you see that this red dots push back you till the starting? Okay, slowly. Jump. I'm gonna cross this level also. Oh, come on. No, I'll go non-stop. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah, I'm going back way. The wrong way. I'm going very fast. I'm faster than her. Oh, come on. I've gone very close. But I can cross this level. Come on. It's not that hard also, but you need to be very perfect on jumps. Okay, yes. Now I have completed another level. How long is this race? See, from there that yellow, then till here it is coming, and there also behind this also is there. How long is this? I'm not understanding. Here it is becoming a little bit more difficult. Oh, come on, no problem. Okay, why? What happened? Okay, I've summoned. Which side I have to go? Okay, this I'll also hold now. Okay, bye bye. I said this that this disco light, this will make you distract. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, come on, slowly, slowly. We'll cross this level. Yes, I've completed this part. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Oh, come on, I had gone so far. This game is very hard. In the starting, it will be very easy to see, but in the middle, it starts getting hard, hard, and hard. Who is this? This much long name. Okay, slowly, slowly, I'm crossing this level also. Oh, come on, I had gone so far. What is this? Oh, wait, no, 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 I'm going wrong way. Come on. Okay, I'm safe now. Nobody is near me. Not front and back, many people are coming. Okay. Slowly, slowly we'll go. Here, in this part itself, I'll die a lot of time. Okay, I'm completing this level also. Only I should not touch this red or fall down. Slowly, slowly. Yes, this also we have completed this level. What is this? This may be having less red lines, but it is becoming a little bit curve. Oh, oh, yes. This level also very easily we have completed. Like that you think. Now we'll complete off this level very easily. Oh, come on. Okay, okay. I think so. When we'll exit this game and again we'll join. We'll join means till where we have completed there itself we'll come. It must be. Otherwise, we should come again from the starting. Now ahead of me a lot of members are going. No, I'll concentrate on the game. Commentary, I think I'm doing too much. Okay. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, wow. How did I stand? Okay, okay. And I have not completed my solar system series. It has become almost a week of to update it. So soon I will continue that series and I will complete it also. Then now we'll concentrate on the game again. Oh yes, now this level also we have completed. Okay, come on, go, go, go. Yes, this is a little bit too much easy. Hey, what has come here? Okay, front of me only one person is going. Oh, I think this is a little bit different parkour type. Okay, now I'm getting so close. Yes, this also. Oh, I think this red cylinder type structure send us back. Okay, this is more getting hard, and according to its speed, it is very difficult. If this character's speed was a little bit slow, wow, how did I not die? Hello, how fast are they going? I can also go, but see, like this they'll will fall off down. So slowly. This is very hard, man. Hey, because of this man came off in the middle. I can't see where the red dot was. Okay, bye. Okay, now I've come. Come on. My hands are becoming wet, so these buttons are not going correctly. Oh, can I also do like that? I'll not try. Shortcut never we should take. Come on, reswamp. Till that mega ramp I had gone, but I died because I didn't see where the red color is there. Oh, come on. I was so close. How to skip stage? No. This is still it's. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Oh, come on. Yes. Oh, come on. Not again. Oh. Okay. Okay, now it is a little bit easy. Okay, come on. I have to go there slow. Come on. Go. Yes. Now I've come till here, means now I'll cross this level. This level is the hardest. Here itself I've died the most of the time. Last time here some player had come in front of me, so I couldn't see the red dot. Oh, come on. Okay, I think so that's all in this video. Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting videos of space science and gaming also, and for completing the solar system series you can watch it. Already 11 videos I have made, so please go it and watch. Okay guys, bye bye.